Well-maintained one-owner home in Woods Edge. Home features 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with a bonus room that could be used as a bedroom or home office. Home features new roof, laminate hardwood floors on main living level, upgraded half bath on lower level, stainless steel appliances, gas fireplace, great room with skylights, and is already wired for surround sound. Study, welcoming foyer, separate formal dining, carpet on the 2nd level, garden tub and master bathroom with separate shower, large master closet, fully fenced-in backyard, large yard with irrigation in the front and back and pre-wired generator. You also have a 2-car garage with a utility sink. The bonus room also has a pool table that does convey. Enjoy your evenings on screened-in porch with sunken-in hot tub that does convey. Seller also offering 1-year home warranty.